As you explore potential immigration options for you or your family, finding trusted support from a reputable immigration attorney or other legal service provider can be difficult. Just as payday lenders often prey on under-resourced communities, certain businesses can mislead the public by offering immigration legal services despite being unqualified and illegal to do so. In the next couple of minutes, this short video will help you identify some red flags that may indicate a business is not acting in your best interest or is otherwise not providing reliable legal advice or services. It is important to remember first that while Congress considers various immigration bills, there is no new comprehensive immigration reform or legalization program currently available. Congress must first agree and pass a bill, and then the president must sign it for it to become law. Until then, legal service providers must not take your money to file an application for these proposed programs. In the meantime, you can take steps to protect yourself, seek trusted legal advice, and prepare for any changes in the law. Generally, there are two types of individuals who can legally give you advice about an immigration case. The first is a licensed immigration attorney, and the other is a non-attorney legal representative approved by the U.S. Department of Justice, also known as a DOJ accredited representative. To learn more about how to verify if a practitioner has the capacity and legal ability to support you with your case, head to this link to download our guide on avoiding fraud. Make sure to avoid legal help from individuals or businesses that are legally not qualified to do so. Scammers may often advertise immigration services alongside other services such as tax preparation. Remember, expertise in one area does not necessarily relate to another. Unfortunately, scam artists are sometimes members of the immigrant's own community. Because of this, make sure not to be lulled into a false sense of security just because the person you are confiding in speaks your language or can relate to your story or your goals. Too often, scam artists will promise immigrants an easy path to legal status only to cheat them out of their hard-earned money and, even worse, put them at risk of deportation. These scammers pose a huge risk for our immigrants. It can be easy to trust anyone who says they are an expert when you may not be familiar with U.S. immigration law and eager to gain a legal status. Immigration consultants, which can include what are known as notarios, are not attorneys. Fraudulent immigration consultants illegally provide advice and may also charge large amounts of money for work that is never performed. Even worse, some consultants file incorrect paperwork with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service, or USCIS, the federal agency that processes immigration applications. Filing incorrect paperwork can cause a government investigation and trigger a deportation proceeding. Keeping all this in mind, you will face the first major question: how can I find reliable immigration legal support? Number one, find a trusted legal service provider in your area by using this link. Number two, if you are uncertain about an attorney's qualifications, you can ask them to show you their state bar documents. Number three, it's okay to meet with several legal service providers and decide later which one you feel most comfortable with and confident in. You do not have to sign up for the first person you meet with. Number four, do not sign anything you do not understand. It's completely okay to ask questions. Number five, ask for a written agreement about what exactly your legal service provider will do and how much it will cost you. And finally, number six, keep copies of everything you give the legal service provider and make sure to ask for any original copies back once they've produced their own copies. Once you have found legal support, the remaining question is, of course, how do I protect myself? Do not hire anyone who promises or guarantees good result or work permit. Do not hire anyone who does not provide a written contract that clearly explains what they will do for you. Do not hire anyone who tries to charge for blank immigration forms, which, by the way, are available publicly online for free. Do not hire anyone who tries to charge you to get on a waiting list for a new immigration law. There is no waiting list for any new immigration law at the moment. Do not hire anyone who claims to have a special contact in the government. Do not hire anyone who pretends to be a qualified attorney but will not show you the documentation to prove that. Do not hire anyone who takes money without giving you the services promised. Do not hire anyone who asks you to lie on a form or sign a blank document. If you do this, you may never get your immigration application approved and you may face some serious criminal consequences. Do not hire anyone who keeps your original documents or charges you to get them back. Do not hire anyone who refuses to reply to your calls, answer your questions, or explain the process. And finally, do not hire anyone who discourages you from exercising your rights. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember that if you would like to download our complete guide on how to avoid immigration fraud, follow this link for more information. Thank you.